Brunch and Soca, Vincy Mass 2025. This is this is not my first time. But the theme is Garden of Eden. So the girls are out in the green and all of that, and the floral and the garden, and we are walking into the venue now. Welcome to the channel. This is the channel for loners, solo fetes, people who have no friends, no family, outcasts, loners, black sheep. I've been drinking Sunset, which is the strongest rum in the Caribbean. Argue with your mama. When we go inside, we're going into this all-inclusive fete. Stay tuned.
Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just Salona. I am a wife.
sing. This is what I can't sing so loud, yeah? Because we have to run the stadium tonight. Put your hands in the air. I love you so much. Somebody say, I am the ruler. I am the ruler. I am the ruler. I'm going to say, I'm the ruler of the night. Every time I touch the stage, just like I look at all my people and be because when I reach it, I can't jump up the mountain to win the stadium and run the Super Bowl night. I love you. Everybody I had a dream. I dream again. I dream the river as I'm blowing my hand. I had a dream. I dream again. I dream the river as I'm blowing my hand. So, shut up, Hannah. What am I saying? Make you dance again. I can't hear you sing this one. I am dancing, no one can make you dance again. I want everybody step to those Holy Spirit. Shut up.
Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just all